Back and forth is too much. It's already cold.
The mayor announced a snow emergency.
The majority of the storm is anticipated to hit during the middle of the night, which means that we can get a lot of work done.
He reminded residents that parking restrictions change in a snow emergency.
If you see a sign that says no parking during snow emergency or snow route tow-away zone, that means two things. One, no parking during the snow emergency, and two, it's a snow route and your car will be towed away.
The Public Works Commissioner outlined a plan to clear the roads, with 400 crews hitting the streets early to get ahead of the storm.
It'll take us another 12 to 18 hours to finish the cleanup.
The massive cleanup comes at a high cost.
I tell you, it'll be over $1 million.
That's nearly 1/6 of the entire year's
Tuesday night,
budget.
9:05.
Finished. Authorities told people to
We are in the beginning of Badass Blizzard
and that's the
2011.
being heeded by the
2011
tomorrow.
Badass
Will be
Blizzard.
shut down, as well as Milwaukee County government. As far as the city of Milwaukee,
We might get up to 2 feet of snow.
open tomorrow, but the mayor says only
I'm gonna go out the back door here and see what it looks like here.
Reporting live tonight in Brown.
Port Washington, Wisconsin. Holy shit! The wind is really blowing. Wow. Oh, the door almost blew out. Wow. Unbelievable.